Your life will never be better. If you believe that it can't be better. Any man can go from living a depressing mundane existence to living an absolutely beautiful fulfilling life. Any man can live a better life. But every man must pay the price of living a better life. And that price is temporary pain and suffering. And very very few men are willing to pay that price. If you want to live a better life, you must first be willing to live a harder life. That's the only way for a man to live a worth living life. When I was still in high school, I remember never having any woman talking to me or giving me any kind of attention. Unless if she wants to borrow my pen or my textbook. I remember only having 2 friends. Which I found out later that they weren't even my friends from the start. That they only wanted to be friends with me so they can play video games on my PlayStation 3. I remember getting back from school every day feeling like shit. Because of the motherfuckers that used to bully me. Only to have my family giving me even more shit when I got back home. I used to indulge so much in instant pleasures. Like jacking off multiple times a day while watching some messed up porn. Or playing video games and eating junk food. Just to escape even for a few minutes my depressing existence. Man, my eyes tear up whenever I remember my past life. And it's not like I was living on the streets with nothing. It's more so that I was suffering mentally. But now I can never wish for a better life. My life right now is so beautiful and so fulfilling. That I can only be grateful to God for how much I'm being blessed. The amount of attention, love and intimacy that I'm getting from women is mind-blowing. The relationship between me and my current friends who I call brothers is levels above the relationships between 99% of men. We either live together or die together. Nothing in between. And the level of control and freedom that I have in my life is unbelievable. I can do whatever the f I want. Whenever the f I want. With whoever the f I want. But the only reason why I'm living this life is because I paid the f***ing price. Is because I said f*** it. This isn't the life I want to live. I don't care what f***ing price I have to pay to live my dream life. I'm gonna pay it anyway. And you can do the same, brother. If you just pay the price. That's all for this video, boys. If you want my life-changing one-on-one coaching service, send me an email to this email address. Keep grinding, boys, we will all make it, inshallah.